get like candy.
Yes. I'll buy some candy. This candy is dandy for you. You look too bad. You're doing. Damn. Oh, he's Hello?
Wait, what's the thing?
Yeah.
What's Nick do?
I don't know what he does. Different abilities,
Wait, what's it called? Power?
Can you go chicken?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Right. It's 250.
Thanks.
250.
Okay.
206. No.
Save some money.
So you can buy these, right?
No, Abbott.
You can buy these. Just got it. Ready?
Yeah.
Still in the stage. Person got this for face.
Are you ready?
Oh, yeah. Okay, we trying to gondola to climb the building. Just trying to slow.
Jeez. Guess we make it to the top without running into anything.
Go.
So,
Oh, screwed.
Going in. Let's keep going. Get.
Really?
Maybe do it.
No. You had enough time. Wait.
Are you ready? Start. Jeez. Guess we make it to the top without running into anything.
Good.
Oh, we're screwed.
Big pink book. Oh, it's close. A wolf?
No, that's a cow.
A cow.
How would the wolf be that big?
Wolves are really
Do
big.
it. Do it.
You're doing better work.
Someone's manipulating us.
Oh man.
Oh really? Are you serious?
Maybe do it.
Oh my god.